This video demonstrates the proper procedures for lamp replacement on the Christie CP4230 projector. Before beginning any lamp installation, make sure you are wearing the proper safety equipment, including a protective jacket, wrist protectors, gloves, and face mask. First, after the lamp has been turned off for at least 15 minutes with the cooling fans running, make sure the power to the projector is turned off. Unlock and open the side door. Remove the plastic shield covering the cathode end of the lamp by gently compressing the top and bottom tabs. Use the 3mm wrench to loosen the cathode clamp. Next, loosen the anode clamp using the 4mm wrench. Slide the anode clamp off of the lamp. Rest the clamp in the projector. Hold both ends of the lamp and gently unscrew it. Remove the lamp, being careful not to touch the reflector. Place the old lamp into its original protective carrier. Secure with Velcro straps and replace in its original packaging. While the lamp is out, clean the reflector with a lint-free cloth. Next, use the cloth to wipe off the UV glass. Now you're ready to install the replacement lamp. Carefully remove the new lamp from its protective carrier. Visually inspect for any damage. Slide the lamp into position. Again, being careful not to touch the reflector. Thread the new lamp into the cathode clamp, ensuring that it is completely threaded. Place the anode clamp over the ferrule and tighten. Tighten the cathode clamp. Replace the plastic shield over the cathode end of the lamp. Close and lock the side door. Turn power to the projector back on. Installation is complete. Now it's showtime.